this time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Dree, and today I'm going to be making a recipe I found on YouTube. It's called Cornbread Tamale Casserole. Not sure why they said tamale, but yeah, anyways, this recipe was bomb and we devoured it. It actually was really, really good. And today I'm going to be making it. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to see me starting with the Jiffy cornbread mix, pouring that into a bowl. And yes, you can use, I use the honey kind. You can use the original kind as it is. So I'm just going to be pouring that into the bowl, and then I'm going to take a fork and get all those little clumps and bumps out of this stuff and make it all smooth. Then I'm going to add some cream style sweet corn into that bowl, and I'm also going to add 2 eggs. Now I'm pouring a ½ cup of milk, and then I'm going to add some cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want. I'm sorry, before I add the cheese, I'm adding a little bit of chili powder and some cumin. And I did a ½ teaspoon of both. Now adding my cheese, and I'm gonna then mix it all together until it gets that consistency that you want it to be. Well, you know, the cornbread consistency. So baby girl, she was at my ankles tugging. She just wanted mommy. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to take some shredded chicken and then the red enchilada sauce and pour that in. And then I'm just going to, mix that together, make sure that enchilada sauce is coated all over the chicken. Then you can just put that to the side. I'm going to take out my casserole dish. You can use like a 9x13, but I did use a smaller kind. I'm going to spray the bottom with some avocado oil spray. And then you're going to pour that mixture into the bottom of that casserole dish, and then just put it in the oven to bake on 400 for 20 to 25 minutes until that cornbread is good and firm. And on the side, I'm just gonna make some black beans. Dance break real quick, cause you know you gotta dance while you wait on the food to get ready. And just like that, it is done. The cornbread is done. Just gonna pull that out. Make sure it is firm. Don't worry if it's not completely done, because you are going to put this back in the oven. Now I'm just going to take that chicken mixture and put that right on top of the cornbread and spread it. After you spread that out, then get you some cheese and top it off with the cheese as much as you want. And then you're just going to pop that right back into the oven, still on 400 degrees for another 20 to 25 minutes, or until that cheese melts. Pulling that bad boy out, and y'all watch this. It is looking amazing. Yes, ma'am. You hear that? Hear that sizzling, baby? Yes. It looks so good. And y'all, it tastes even better. Oh my God. So, so good. We demolished this. Y'all finna watch me cut into this. Like, y'all, it was so hot still. But we was so hungry and ready to dive in this. We couldn't even wait for it to like set, y'all. So that's why it didn't really take its form because we dived right in. But if we had let it sit, it would have took its form. But it's okay because this stuff was good. Y'all, I'm digging in already, but I'm gonna add some sour cream to mine. You can add sour cream, green onion, chives, whatever, and it's bomb, okay? Now I'm fix my husband's plate. He don't like sour cream on his, but baby, when I tell you, he had about 2 to 3 plates of this. My brother-in-law had like 2 plates of this. Y'all, this is not stand a chance in my home, okay? Like we tore this up. It was so good, and I will definitely be making this again. It is definitely a comfort meal for sure. Like so fulfilling, so good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Adios. Bye.